Why topic clustering is vital for SEO. In the ever-evolving landscape of search engine optimization, topic clustering has emerged as a pivotal strategy. It's not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental shift in how content is structured to enhance visibility and engagement on search engines. Understanding topic clustering. So, what is topic clustering? It's an SEO content strategy that organizes content into groups of related topics and subtopics. The approach revolves around creating comprehensive pillar pages that cover broad topics, supported by cluster content that dives into specific subtopics. This creates a robust internal linking structure that boosts SEO performance. Enhancing SEO. Topic clustering ensures your website is a cohesive, authoritative source of information rather than a collection of disparate articles. By aligning with how search engines evaluate content relevance and user intent, this strategy leads to improved rankings and increased organic traffic. The role of AI. Artificial intelligence is a game changer in SEO content optimization. AI tools can analyze data to identify patterns and insights, informing topic clustering strategies. They automate keyword research, content analysis, and performance tracking, ensuring your content remains relevant and competitive. Enhancing user experience. AI also plays a crucial role in enhancing user experience. By delivering personalized content that aligns with user intent, AI-driven optimization tools help keep visitors engaged, reducing bounce rates and increasing time spent on your site. Implementing topic clusters. To implement topic clusters, start by identifying core topics central to your business. Develop cluster content for each pillar page and optimize your internal linking to reinforce the topic cluster structure. Discover more about optimizing your SEO strategy today.